All right, back in June, a bike came in, a Norton. Didn't have a side stand. So I ordered a side stand kit and went to install it and realized that the side stand mount on the frame that's welded to the frame had been bent up quite a bit. And the side stand would fit at like a 0-degree angle. It's almost horizontal. So I had my machinist look into building me an adapter that would bolt to the existing mount here and then give us about a I don't know how many degree angle down so that the side stand would actually reach the ground rather than stick out up in the air. The following video is the discussion on that that I sent to my machinist, and this is the result. The interim was an aluminum prototype that we brought over and checked for angle of the dangle, and then he took that away and came back with this beautiful steel one, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's a work of art, and we're going to fit it to the bike as soon as I can get the bike back in here, and then mark the spot for the hole for the mounting to the existing mount, and see if it does the work, does the job. It should go up there roughly like this. Let's see, I can't even show you the angle. And then it's going to be neat. I sincerely hope this will work. Anyway, here's the video from back then, so you'll understand the problem. And here we go. This is kind of cool. Hey John, this bike came in with no side stand, so I bought a side stand kit and started to install it, and realized that the reason it doesn't have a side stand is because the mount on the frame, which is welded to the frame, and part of the frame has been bent. And this mount, which is sticking out horizontally, is supposed to be at about a 45-degree angle. It's welded to the frame. I'm not going to go near this bike with a hot torch to try to unbend it. So I'm going to show you how this thing is sticking out basically horizontal. And now Kevin's going to show you the angle that we need, roughly. This needs to go down to just about touching the lift. So we need to have an adapter made that will bolt on to the horizontal mount that's welded to the frame, stick out about an inch, and then allow me to mount the side stand onto the adapter. Let me know if this is something you'd be willing to look into for us. It might need a 1 or 2 tries to get it exactly right, but I'd like to talk to you about making us an adapter for this. Okay? Give me a holler. Thank you.